Once upon a time, there was one mom and three puppies. But one day, their mom said, "Go build your own house." One day, there's a little dog, and he went to go build his house in the cave. But one day, a mean vampire came and destroyed his house. One day, there was two little puppies, and then a vampire came and destroyed their house, so then they went to go live with their brother. One day there's three little dogs, and then a vampire tried to destroy their house, but he couldn't, so then they lived happily ever after.